Hey guys, Abby here. I'm just doing a quick update on App Install Pro. And first, thank you for all of you who have gotten in. That is awesome. I just, I want to let you know that the product owner Ricky actually reached out to me really late last night and like, who are you? Because I guess he saw my referrals coming in and stuff, and what I was doing with this group and getting people like you're starting, you're opening your campaign. Like I'm really appreciative of everybody who got in. Thank you. Um, I wanted to actually show you because I said I would make a video when I hit 200. I haven't even been in 3 days. I bought the product at 12:45 on Thursday, the 13th. Um, I hit $100 sometime within the first 20, a little bit after 24 hours, I think. But here we are. It's only 10:30 in the morning on a Sunday. What is this, the 16th? And I hit 200. I want to show you guys what happened. So actually, let me move this and blow this up. Hold on. All right, so under payouts, you guys need to add your PayPal address, which I did, but it automatically moved from, like, it has my total earnings, but it automatically moved into payouts, and it is showing pending. 316.25, and so I assume at net 30 that will pay me out to the PayPal address that I added to here. So there you go. I want to say I tested a campaign last night, and right here I set this up. I will give you guys these IDs. Like, I probably won't do these on camera as much. I don't know if I'm gonna start a group, or I need a way to communicate with you guys to let you know like what I see is working, what is maybe not. But every one of my campaigns is in an ROI right now, like a positive one. So let's do this by this one I just started last night. Now I've only spent 50 cents, but I got one conversion for $3. So that's a really good ROI. So if for every 50 cents I spend, or even if for every dollar you spend, if you made $3, that's a really good ROI. So that's what, and I'm not telling anybody to play with stuff right now because I know you don't know what you're doing. I don't even know what I'm doing. I mean, I know what's going on in the background, but I'm not saying that, hey, I know everything that's going on with this. So, but look at these numbers. These are really good returns. So what I did was that hybrid clash one. And I'm assuming there's a big webinar on Tuesday. Make sure you register for that webinar. They're going to be doing some training, going over everything, answering people's questions. I think a lot will be more clear after Tuesday. But like I said, I still have $260 left, and I mean I'm still spending my budget over here, so I haven't even spent $100 to make the 200. So my ROI is really good. Like, I'm cool if I can spend 100, make 200, spend 100, make 200. That's a really good return, especially with advertising. And anybody who's tried advertising, you probably know that. But either way, I'll put the link below if you haven't got in yet. I don't know. I mean, give me some feedback. Do you guys want me to start another group? I don't really know much about Discord. I have an account. I don't know if Facebook's the best place to do it. But after tonight, all of the posts about this are going to be removed from the Tankly group. So, and I'm not going to bring it up again. But just so you do know, Ricky reached out to me, the guy who is the product owner, and he messaged me last night, and we had a good back and forth. And I think we're going to jump on a phone call today. But he said anything he can do to help my people, as he said to let him know. He said he absolutely stands by this. He's been doing this for 9 months. They have a couple other groups. They said that, they went through some ups and downs. He said, but this is totally legit. And if people take this serious, they can make some extra money. And I think everybody, I'm getting messages. I apologize if I haven't gotten back to you. I did stay up till about 2:30 trying to message. If you did not get a message from me and you message me again. If you made a comment and I didn't respond to it, let me know. I will message you. I went through every comment. I think I got everybody who was interested. If I didn't, just reach out to me. I have about 30 messages in my box right now. I'm going to go through them here in just a minute. I may make an announcement. It's only 10:30. Today is the last day. So like, this is just like the big push. I don't know what happens if the price changes, but Ricky did say if if I wanted to, get a deal or try and do something for the people who wanted to get in, to let him know. So like, I mean, I think I can work something out. If I know some of you said that you couldn't do the upsell, or which is fine. The difference is, so it's a $47 product. That's this. The 147 upsell is you get 300 worth of traffic. That's why I'm telling people to do it, because you get $370 total in traffic right here. And you can use that, and obviously, like, I think everybody will hit $200 with that credit amount. Now granted, once you hit this, it's going to go over here to your payouts, and it is going to be in pending, and then I do have to wait 30 days. But think about this. As soon as I hit $400, that second 200 is going to go. So if I can hit 400 this week with the rest of my money, maybe that's going to be pending on 320. Well, then I'm going to get paid on 416, my $200, and then 4 days later, I'm going to get the second 200. So every time you acquire 200, it's not going to be you have to wait 30 days every time you get paid. You'll end up getting to where every few days you'll see $200 coming in, which is cash flow, which is going to be really good, because then you can buy traffic to keep testing campaigns and find out what works. So that's why, like, I love a system like this, and you have to pay attention to your campaign. So here, I'll tell you what I did. So there's a couple I don't have any budget on, because I ran $7 on this one, and then I was running this one, and I saw the conversion was going down a little bit. I was stuck at 10 conversions for a while, but I kept spending. So I was like, you know what? It's one of my lower converting offers. I'm going to go ahead and not add any more budget. And I did the same thing with that. I stopped it at $7. I put, if you want to stop a campaign, this is what you do. You have 32 cents. You come over here, you hit refund budget. You type in 0.32 refund campaign. If it gives you an error, that means it's spending money. You might have to go 0.31 or 0.30, refund the budget. It'll keep 1 or 2 cents in there and spend the rest of it, but it'll put your 30 cents back into your account balance. Then you can take that 32 cents and put it somewhere else. That's how you refund a campaign. If I want to add money to a campaign, so like this one's getting low right now. Let's see, I'm still running 100% ROI. So you can come over here, you hit this, you're like, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and put $2 more in here. You go add funds, boom. Now it's right here. I added $2. So like, let's go do it right here. Boom. I'm going to add $2 more to this one. Or here, let me cancel. Let me show you. Oops, I'm gonna cancel this one. Cancel. 43 cents. So I'm still running a decent return. So what I am going to do is monitor this. Like, is this gonna still get sales and maintain this, or do I want to not add any more budget after this one and focus on these ones because they have such a better percent? So maybe I don't want to put $2 in here. I want to go add it to over here. So that's the kind of thing you're gonna play with, and like, I may test this again at some point, but for right now, they were low, and I wanted to put the funds into the bigger ones. So like this one, I'm hoping after I run this $5, maybe I get 5 sales. That would be $5 and I'd get paid 15. That's a pretty good. Now, the only thing I'm seeing right now is I cannot scale fast enough. Like, I'm not getting traffic fast enough for as fast as I want to spend. But that's okay, because none of us know what we're doing yet. So like, let's take baby steps together. Let's do this. And then we will be able to figure out together, like, okay, can I duplicate the campaign? Do you just add more funds so it goes faster? I don't know those things yet, but I actually have a connection now to talk to Ricky to ask him things like this. So when things come up, we'll be able to get answers quickly. So I'm feeling very good about this. I'm very confident that everybody will get paid what they are owed. And if you think about it, if you do the 47, if you do the 147, you're going to get $370. Now, the other upsell is done for you campaigns, and I did get that. I got these done for you campaigns, but you can manually come in here and do those yourself. So that is going to be a totally optional upsell. And then I think there was a fourth one. I just bought the whole bundle. So, but I'm telling people at minimum, what you want to do is the 47 and the 147, because you get 370 worth of traffic. Worst case scenario, you guys, you run that 370 of traffic, you hit your 200, you get your payout, and you get your money back. That's like the worst thing that's going to happen, I think. So I don't think anyone can lose with this offer. So if you have any questions, you can click the link below. hit me up in Facebook. I'm getting through all of the DMs and things like that. I may watch the Facebook because I may throw up a Zoom link, and I may hop on this afternoon and just sit there and let people come on when they see it and ask questions. If you're having struggle, if you're trying to figure out your campaign, you guys, it's so easy. You literally name your campaign, you select the traffic zone they tell you to, you select the offer they tell you to, you add a $5 budget and you hit go and you just monitor it. That's it. And don't freak out. Here's the thing. Don't freak out if they all start in negative. They're all going to be red until they're not. And if they end up staying in red, you'll lose pennies and you can stop it later. So with that, I'm going to get this loaded so you guys can watch it. And then I will get back in the Facebook group and we'll be talking to all of you soon. All right. Thank you guys.